Hi everyone, this is a brief overview of my brand new plugin. It's called Special Options, or Special Ops for short, right here. I'm going to redo this video soon, but I just want to do a short one for now just to get the basic idea out there for people. Because this is brand new for me. I'm kind of in a time crunch right now, so just want to do a short one for now, and I'll make it much more professional later. So here we go. So it's called Special Options, WordPress plugin, and first thing you want to do is go to Activate, and then let me back up. Let me back up a sec. Let me deactivate it real quick because first we want to check on the settings menu here, and notice how there's only 6 settings here. And as soon as we activate Special Options, we'll check back here, and now we have a Special Options link right below permalinks. Okay, so we'll click on that, and now we can see some special options here, and we can see some categories too. So basically we got Test Cat 1 and Test Cat 2. We got 3 predefined options in each category for a total of 6 options to play with here. And what do they do? Well, I'm glad you asked, because I'm about to show you. So basically, we can copy one of these. See, it's a variable. Basically, you have a $sign here, and PHP variable. So then you can go to your header.php file in your WordPress theme, and you can use them. So I copied one earlier, and then we can just jump into PHP here, and I'm using PHP Storm right now, but you can use whatever you want. And then so I'm just gonna right click and paste that in there, and then of course type echo, end it like that. But actually I'm gonna do it a little bit different because I have a live template for my echoes, so that I can just do it like this, and I'm just going to paste that in there, like that, and then there we go. That's all typed out for me, and saving some work. So then I'll go up here and I'll click Save. Oh, actually, let me just save that real quick. No, I did it right. Okay, yeah, click Save. And now we're going to go test this on my Beastie Bikes site at beastiebikes.com. Okay, so I'm going to press refresh here. And now we got Testfire 1. And it's not showing anything. Okay, so I did that on purpose because I wanted to show you that on a fresh install after you activate it, you still have to integrate it into your theme. This plugin will automatically detect whether it's integrated or not into your header.php file. And so what I'm going to do now is just click on here, and it's going to open up this other panel here, and it says, in order to use the above options as PHP variables in your theme, simply paste the following code on line 1 of your theme's header.php file. So then we can click here to go to header.php, but I don't want to copy this first, or cut it, whatever you prefer. Click header.php, and then it said to paste it on line 1. And so here we'll go. We'll do that right now. We're using WordPress to edit header.php. We just used PHP Storm, but I wanted to make this so that you could do this without like a Windows-based editor. So why not? Because WordPress has an editor built in, so it was easy. So we're just going to update that, and then we're going to go back to my Beastie Bikes site, and we're going to press refresh here, and Okay, now we can see it's showing here. The value is actually showing of that variable, and up here it says test var 1, test val 1, because right here I have it echo that just to by default, just to show people that it's working, so that they won't have to manually type that in and test it. So basically, yeah, let's disable that line with a little pound sign there. Update the file, and we'll go back and we'll press refresh, and now that's gone up there, and so now we can start using those variables in our template. And that's basically how it works. You know, that's the basic idea. That's the basic benefit. You know, when you're doing what you do there in your code and stuff, if you're not really advanced coder, you know, some people might like to have something like that where they could just store a whole bunch of values in their WordPress admin panel and assign those values to variable names and then use them when they're coding. So, you know, you can check for, you know, if a value exists, if test var 1 exists, then you can do whatever you want to do like that, and then yeah, that's basically what the whole idea is all about right there. Save that and go back to the Beastie Bikes, refresh, and let's see here. Why isn't that showing? Oh. I don't know. So, anyway, you already know it works. So, there you go. I'm going to go through a little bit of editing right now on the special options plugin page here, because it has a way to edit variables. So basically, you can just edit it through here. You can change the option name. You can change the category it's in. You can change the value here. This is edit area. It's a pretty nice editor. It highlights code for you and everything, as you saw in the integration part. Oh, and we added that to the header. So actually, when you go back here and you refresh that, where's the header at? Let me see here. Okay, so it's not in the header. That's why it wasn't working. Anyway, let's just fix that real quick. Go back here, grab that real quick, cut it, and then we'll go to header.php, and we'll paste that back in there real quick. So yeah, after you update that, and then you go back to special options, it's no longer red here. This is just a normal category color now, and there's no warning over here. So that's kind of nice, you know. It says special options plugin is integrated into your header.php file. Okay, so, and then if you wanted to add a new option, it's pretty easy to do. Just go new. We'll call it new special option, or new special op for short. And then we'll make a new category too. New special cat, and then we will do a quick value here. value special value, and we'll add that option. And so now we have 3 categories. 1, 2, 3. And then you could just go and copy that, and then you could go back to your site, and then you can. Oh, I know why I didn't. I know what that problem was before. I didn't have the include code, the integration code pasted into my local file here. I used the WordPress file, so when I saved my local file, it overwrote that before. So that's why I did that. Okay. So yeah. So if I put this new variable name in here now and click save, then it's not going to work because I don't have the integration code up there anyway. So I'm not going to attempt it, but we'll do a quick refresh just to show you it's still working because we put that code back up in there. Okay, so yeah, let's see here. What else? There's 3 categories now, and you can delete them too if you want. And nice little tooltips there, all styled with jQuery UI. Such a nice JavaScript framework to use. Really nice to use. So that's about it. That pretty much wraps this up for now. And yeah. So let me know how you like it, and if you end up downloading it, I hope it works well for you. Enjoy.